was on last year.
Smile.
Year I was in.
I don't know.
I'm supposed to be dead.
Then
Like 2 minutes. It's like,
it's cold. Blanket equals warmth.
we have to go down to 27.
You have glitter on your face.
I do not.
You look like a raccoon.
I don't.
I don't know. It's shiny.
I know everybody keeps saying that.
Tonight it's supposed to get down to 35 and we're supposed to have frost.
What do I look like?
That's what
Should I make a face? Where's your brother? He looks so emo.
My scurry.
I'm sorry if that sounds scary. Toilet seat.
Well, the night I was at the
Just wanna
tent,
feel like
you know what I got called? Uncle Zane.
Hey, Connor.
Hey! Uncle Zed on the piano. She's your piano player tonight.
Hold on, were you there?
And I warned her about the piano.
Delicious.
It's not on yet. Okay, do it now. It's delicious.
Ah, delicious.
I'm the best one.
Stop kicking.
She told me she did the choo-choo.
Oh, you can't.
Did you do the choo-choo thing?
And frosted. Well, I went to check the weather online before we left. We're shaking. And it said for like 25 counties we have a frost advisory from like 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. today. Obviously, it's frosted. Like seriously, like I didn't know. I knew it was cold. But then
Saturday.
we walked outside, and then I was like, I can see my breath. Oh my god! I was outside all night playing a weathered piano. Oh my god! I was tempted to sneak up behind you and go to your neck with my cold hands, but I was like, no, that'd be a douche.
Almost
Texting
yes.
sucks like the battery in your phone like crazy.
Texting? I'll text Connor like.
That's Scary Acres because it takes a while for it to get through, and that takes more battery.
Can't see you.
A fancy camera that doesn't have a light.
Yep.
So you wouldn't believe who I saw when I was working at Scary Acres. Let me give you a hint. Hey, it's Beth! Yeah, I saw Fred. Went through my section of the haunted house. Pretty awesome, right?